Introducing BeSo Soft, one of the CHT smart effects with character. Everyone knows it, you have a favorite jacket which indeed looks good on you, but it feels not good. CHT offers an outstanding solution for this problem. With BeSo Soft your garments get the optimal hand feel, whether you prefer your textiles cool, voluminous, soft, bulky or slippery. It can be precisely adjusted for individual softness control. BeSo Soft is ideal for any fabric and textile material. Even with its high breathability, it has a great washability and is long-lasting. So, don't worry about feeling not good in your clothes. With BeSo Soft your textiles get a premium feel and will perform to the top. Visit cht.com/BeSo for more information about all the smart BeSo effects from CHT.